Hi everybody! Thank you for joining me for another edition of our online Mother Goose. So this week, the bigger kids are reading about chickens, so we are going to have a story called Baby Cheep Cheep, in addition to our regular songs like the Good Morning song, Shake Our Sillies Out, and our lap bouncing rhymes. And then of course we'll always learn a baby sign. So the first thing we always do is we sing our Good Morning song. So I've got the words right here. If you'd like to try and sing along, we'll try it all together on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Good morning to you. Good morning to you. We're all in our places with bright shiny faces. And this is the way to start our new day. Give yourselves a hand for your good waving. So I'll take the words down. And now it's time to practice our last 2 baby signs. We did eat and drink last time. Eat, you hold your fingertips together and touch them to your mouth like you're taking a bite of food. That means eat. Then we learn to drink. So you hold your hands like you're holding a cup and taking a sip from a cup. So that's eat and drink. This week is the 2 favorites. We learn more. So that's like your fingertips are kissing together. That means more. And that is everybody's favorite sign because everything is more, more, more. But I give you successful tips with all done. You take the backs of your hands and flip them outwards to signal the words all done. So even if you get asked for more, 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 you can say, all done. Eat, drink, more, and all done are your 4 signs now. So those are good things to practice. More and all done. Now we're going to read our story. It is a fun one, so feel free to participate by saying the animal sounds at home. Baby Cheep Cheep. It's published by DK, and it is written by Dawn Sirett, and it is illustrated by Christine Battuz. Now this is full of lots of animal sounds. Let's say ba to the sheep today. Can you say ba? Ba. Let's shout oink oink. Piggy's here to play. Oink oink. That's a cute picture of a pig, huh? Let's say hello to the chick. What do they say? Cheep, cheep, cheep. Cheep, cheep. So cute. Now whisper shh, because the cat's asleep. This is the baby sign for cat. See the cat sleeping. And let's greet the cow with a noisy, what do they say? Moo! And at last, meet the rooster. Do you know what the rooster says? That's a pretty fun one. They say, cock-a-doodle-doo! And it says on this page, cock-a-doodle-doo. That's the end, so say bye-bye too. So we'll say, bye-bye rooster. And that's a nice simple little book. Baby Cheep Cheep. I thought we should read that because the bigger kids get to read a story about chickens. Now that we've read our story, it's time to do our favorite rhymes. The first one is shake our sillies out. Do you remember how to do that? First we shake, then we clap, and then we jump. So when we say those words, that's what we do. I'll put the words up and we'll start all together on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. We're gonna shake, shake, shake our sillies out. Shake, shake, shake our sillies out. Shake, shake, shake our sillies out and wiggle our waggles away. We're gonna clap, clap, clap our crazies out. Clap, clap, clap our crazies out. Clap, clap, clap our crazies out and wiggle our waggles away. We're gonna jump, jump, jump our jiggles out. Jump, jump, jump our jiggles out. Jump, jump, jump our jiggles out and wiggle our waggles away. Give yourselves a nice hand for doing that one. That one always settles us down for if we need a little focusing. So now is 2 of our rotating lap rhymes. We just rotate down through our collection alphabetically. This first one is Boing, Boing, Squeak, which is about our bouncing mouse friend. So remember, when we say Boing, Boing, Squeak, you're going to want to bounce up into the air nice and high. And then when we sing the second part, we're just going back and forth as we talk about the places that the mouse is going to be in. So just remember, you're going to go way up in the air when we say Boing, Boing, Squeak. You ready? 1, 2, 3. Boing, boing, squeak. Boing, boing, squeak. There's a bouncing mouse inside my house. He's been here for a week. He bounces in the kitchen and he bounces in the den. He bounces in the living room. Look, there he goes again. Boing, boing, squeak. Boing, boing, squeak. Did you remember to go up into the air? Good job. That one's a fun one because it has a lot of different motions in it. Our next rotating one is called I Bounce You. And the words are really helpful because it just tells us what to do right in it. First we bounce, then we have a nice silly tickle, and then we finish with a nice big hug. So I'll put the words up and we can jump right into that one on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. I bounce you here. I bounce you there. I bounce you everywhere. Now for a tickle. I tickle you here. And I tickle you there. I tickle you everywhere. And now we have a hug. I hug you here. I hug you there. I hug you everywhere. I like the ending at the hug because it's so fun to tickle and then get a nice big hug. Now, those are the 2 rotated ones. Now we get to do, what are those again? Tick Tock and Zoom, Zoom, Zoom. So this first page will have our Tick Tock 1 and 2, and then I'll lift it away for 3. And I'm pretty sure we all have this one memorized. But don't forget, we say cuckoo at the end and we go up into the air. You ready? 1, 2, 3. Tick tock, tick tock. I'm a little cuckoo clock. Tick tock, tick tock. Now I'm striking 1 o'clock. Cuckoo! Tick tock, tick tock. I'm a little cuckoo clock. Tick tock, tick tock. Now I'm striking 2 o'clock. Cuckoo! Cuckoo! Now we're up to 3. Tick tock, tick tock. I'm a little cuckoo clock. Tick tock, tick tock. Now I'm striking 3 o'clock. Cuckoo! 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 And that makes 3. Feel free to keep going all around the clock and going up to 12, but that's quite the arm workout, so we stick to 3. Now, after Tick Tock, we always do Zoom, Zoom, Zoom. And at that point, I don't normally need my bear because we use our 2 hands. We go Zoom, 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 just like this. And then when we sing, we go like this, like we're flying like a rocket ship. Those are our wings. And then at the end, we count down by slapping our lap or clapping. And then we have a big blast off at the end. I'll put up the 2 sheets for Zoom, Zoom, Zoom. If you'd like to practice and sing along, we'll sing together on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Zoom, 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 we're going to the moon. Zoom, 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 we're going to the moon. If you want to take a trip, climb aboard my rocket ship. Zoom, 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 we're going to the moon. Zoom, 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 we're going to the moon. We are flying all around, up above where stars are found. Zoom, 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 we're going to the moon. Zoom, 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 we're going to the moon. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, blast off! Make sure you go up really, really high in the air. Blast off! That's the end of Zoom, Zoom, Zoom. I think next week I'll do a flannel board at this point, but I didn't have one for chickens. So all we have left to do is to sing our goodbye song. But before we finish up, I want to remind you that there are still some space in our other activities if you wanted to watch those online, and you can also register for a to-go packet. So there's a lot of fun stuff coming up, so make sure you check out our website or Facebook because we're doing lots of fun stuff. And now we'll sing the goodbye song. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Goodbye, goodbye. Have a nice day. Have a nice day. Have a nice day today. Goodbye, goodbye. Have a nice day. Have a nice day. Have a nice day today. And that's the end of the goodbye song. Thank you for joining me today. Hope you had a lot of fun. I'll see you next week. I believe our theme is autumn. Bye.